Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Helm of Knowledge in Crimson Desert. First, you need to go to the Stone Institute. This area is high up in the map, so you need to travel far if you're coming from Hernand. Now head to the library, then take the stairs at the back. Once you're on the second floor, go to the right side. You'll find the helmet on the bench at the end of this balcony. This helmet has a unique ability. This helmet is probably the best helmet for exploration. You can basically scan everything from afar to gain knowledge. First, you need to equip the helmet. Open your skills and food wheel, then hover your mouse to this area and use your scroll wheel to equip the skill. You can use this to scan animals like this. You can also use it on posters and more. Anything that appears with a purple glow while using this helmet can be scanned. It doesn't tell you the solution for puzzles, but it tells you what contraptions are movable. And that is how to get the Helm of Knowledge in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.